Hey there, and welcome to my Japanese apartment tour. So for a little context, I've been living in Japan for a little over a year now. Just this last week was my year anniversary, and I've lived in this apartment since late April. I pay around 800 USD a month. I think it's like 125,000 yen. I live in a pretty nice area of Tokyo. It's Setagaya-ku, very close to Shibuya. Just, I think from my station, it's 4 stops from Shibuya, and about like a 10-minute bike ride to school, so very, very convenient. I currently live by myself, but my girlfriend comes over pretty much every weekend and sleeps over the entire time, so I don't really get that lonely. Also, I have a lot of friends that live in like the pretty immediate area, so it's pretty much just like a 5-minute bike ride to their place. I can walk 15 minutes. It's pretty nice. Also, I'm like 15-minute walk from the station, but I never really walk to the station since I have a bike. I thought it was just like very convenient, but in the summer that fucking sucks because I show up to school every day sweaty as shit. I mean, I'm like drenched. It looks like I just got out of the shower. Holy shit. This is like the background that I always use for my YouTube videos, and by always I mean the one that I've uploaded since I've moved to Japan, and I kind of fuck with it. It's just like I need like a key light right there. I'm just using like all the window light, and it's very diffused, and also like peaks whenever like the camera, I'm sure it's peaking right now, so that's a little annoying. But I mean, I just bought this Philips Hue light for the background of my videos, so I got a little bit of a glow going on, a little bit of a, what's it called, backlighting, so I can actually change the color too. Hold up, give me a sec. But yeah, it's always Pride Month in my place. The most important part I forgot to leave out is that I have a McDonald's connected to my station. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I get home from school, I fucking go straight to McDonald's. There's no like buffer or delay. I am there. I teleport there instantly. I'm like Ronald McDonald on this shit. Dude, I sound fucking psychotic. Alright, I mean, I don't really know what else to say, so I guess I'll just start the tour. Ooh, wait, I should have stood on this the whole time. I look a lot taller. Holy fuck. Guys, I'm actually 6'3". It's just like the camera angle makes me look a little bit shorter. And fatter. Okay, so this is just outside my apartment. This is where I keep my umbrellas and shit. I like to keep them by the door, especially outside, because, you know, I don't want to bring that shit inside. Talking quiet as fuck right now because I don't want my neighbors to hear me. But this is what you see when you walk in my door. Got the Genkan area. Of course, I got the Minecraft Crocs on. Wouldn't do anything else for this video. This is my pile of junk mail. Very essential. And then this is my shoe cabinet. I've definitely filled it to the brim. And I still have a pair of shoes in here that I've worn like twice. Got the Crocs, and then I got like my everyday shoes right there. And then over here, this is where I keep like everything that I would need at the door. So, I mean, not really, this is like a fucking suit. And then I haven't worn this since the winter, obviously. But I got poncho right here. Got a good Boshi. And I got the one piece ball, what's it called? Ball marker. Yeah, and then just up the stairs, I got a little twinkle light, cause I don't fucking know. I'm 19 years old. My favorite part of the apartment. Yeah, it's where I spend most of my time. There's nothing really interesting about this, but you know, the most interesting part of this room is how it smells. And unfortunately, you guys can't experience that, so just gonna close that. Okay, so this is pretty much like the main part of my apartment. You got the living room, but I'm gonna show you guys that after the kitchen. Of course, my trash pile. What would I do without it? Then I got some clothes in my dryer right now. I think it's actually done, so I'll probably talk to you guys while I'm changing that load. Oh shit, it's kinda hot. Yeah, it was in here for a minute. Oh, what the fuck? I found a piece of candy. Fire. So if you know me in real life, you would know that one of my favorite things in the whole world are big warm loads. just unfortunately not of the laundry variation. But anyway, it's actually pretty rare to have a dryer in Japan. I don't actually know anybody else with one. Most people actually hang their clothes on the balcony, which I also do, but I only do for like the big, heavy, thick clothes, just like my big, heavy, thick, warm loads. I'm just gonna use this for like t-shirts, like small towels, that kind of thing, socks. But yeah, it's very small and it's very loud and it produces like a lot of heat. So I keep it off like most of the time. Fuck, dude, I'm out of breath. Holy shit, I'm about to do this, fuck. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. This is pretty much it. It's a sink, you know how you do. This is my one kitchen item. I don't have forks, knives, bowls, plates, or anything. And actually, this isn't even mine. This is my friend's, and he just left it here. So, thanks, guy. Up here, this is where I keep all the essentials. You know, my creatine. So actually, when I bought this, the dealer told me that it could also work as a pre-workout. It's actually very, very effective, and I do usually take 2 hits of this every time I go to the gym. So yeah, I'm actually gonna do my one right now because I'm gonna go to the gym as soon as I finish recording this. Oh. So anyway, on top of my stove, I have these cool stickers. Most of them are from like Ronin, but I also have this One Piece one. Very nice. I'm hoping to fill this up sometime soon. And by sometime soon, I probably mean within like the next 3 years. Moving on to the main part of my apartment. This is where, like, everything goes down. Sorry about the little mess. Got the olive chicken. Fuck yes, shout out olive chicken. That shit goes hard. Okay, anyway. So this is where I keep pretty much all my camera, miscellaneous stuff. See, I got my RZ large format, Fuji medium format. Got my little Luffy guy right here, little Luffy. I think Maya got me this. Very nice of her, but he doesn't move from on top of my SX70. And then I got Toji Fushiguro right here. I got him at a game center. I think it was at Joy Palace in Odaiba, so good memory. I think I got this like my first 2 weeks of school or something. So, I've had this for a minute. Got all my film stuff right here. I'm running very low on film right now. I think I have like probably less than 10 medium format rolls and then like probably less than also 10 35mm rolls. Broken ass Contax T2, RIP. Forever in my memories. I might sell that for parts soon actually. I don't know yet. Yeah, this is just more miscellaneous camera stuff. That's all the shit that they put my furniture together with when I first moved in. Still haven't gotten rid of that, but that's kind of like a theme in my life, so, Anyway, I actually just put these up recently. Actually, let me plug them in. So I actually just set these up recently. As you can see, I don't actually know if you can see. They're lighting up. Oh yeah, there you go. So these look really cool at night. And I got that next to my beloved Fujifilm blimp. And then this is the hue light that you guys saw earlier. That cost me a lot of money. That was like $250 just for that. But yeah, here is I don't actually know what this is called, but it's like art from Hamamoto, fuck, what's his first name? I don't remember, but he actually did my first tattoo, or my second tattoo. He did my second tattoo. Little turtle right here. Very nice. And just got my coffee table right here. I picked this up in the US, Dochazit, that's what that says. Very nice. Got my Joy-Cons, even though my Switch was stolen at the dorm. Yeah, I mean, that's a skateboard from Nami. He's a tattoo artist based out of Osaka. I was actually supposed to get my most recent tattoo from him, but it ended up costing like a shit ton of money, so that didn't actually happen. Up here on my windowsill, I got a bunch of figures. Luffy, I got this with Ayumu at a game center, probably around 6 months ago. flowers for Mother's Day that Jax left here that I still haven't thrown away. Sorry to Jax's mom, you never got your flowers. And then, oh, I forgot about these little guys. They're actually supposed to go right here and right here. I forget what these are called, but they have them at like a lot of shrines, like on two sides of the shrine when you enter. I don't really know what it's for. Here's Rem. I don't know which view I like more, this or like, yeah, well, there isn't really much right now. A lot of trash. Favorite part, you know. Love to just like come over here, play with it, you know. Fuck it. I got my laptop up here. I'm actually working on this video right now, so editing like the beginning portions of it. And yeah, that's pretty much this main area. Oh, I forgot to show you the pictures on my wall in my kitchen. Let me go show you those. All of these were taken with a medium format camera. Let me turn this off because you can't really see. Yeah, all of these were taken with a medium format camera. A lot of them are really good. I actually never got the scans for them yet though. I still have the film, I just need to get it scanned. Like I really fuck with these two photos. That's actually just like a projector hitting his face when we were playing Super Smash Brothers, and I thought it looked cool, so yeah. Maya with my contacts. Maybe she's the one who broke it. Okay, I'm gonna have to call her. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm hoping to like fill up this wall eventually, but you know, I'm like very little through it, but hopefully one day. And then Maya got me this from, I think, the One Piece store. Very cool, very nice. It's got my tripod like chilling right here. I just moved it from like right there. That is a very nice fan. This shit works wonders on my body. Like for some reason, well, I know why. This room just doesn't get any AC because the AC is right there. So I kind of have to like position this fan pointing directly at my body, like at all times whenever I'm sleeping. My bed is very messy. Those are all clean clothes though. These are the clothes I just put on the bed. My friend actually just bought this from Book Off, and then it was like $3, so he just gave it to me because he knew I liked One Piece. It's like a puzzle, I don't know if you can see, yeah. But I still haven't hung it up. And then there's me, that's me. Look how tall and handsome and attractive I am. Yeah, it's a mirror. I like decorations on it. I'll get there eventually. Anyway, this is my nightstand. Got a cute picture of me and Maya. I think this is this from my birthday? I think this is from my birthday. So we went to Chiba-chan, which is a yakiniku place. They have nomi hodai as well. Very fun, very nice. And down here, I got my Luffy Gear 4 figure. Very cool. And then it's just on top of some photo books. And these are some clay frogs that me and Maya made. I don't know if you guys can guess which is whose. Yeah. And here, I actually don't know. Oh, it's a book. It's a monkey. Love a good monkey. Love a monkey. And then these are just like birthday cards. This is from, what is this, Purikura? Oh, this is just a photo booth. Very cute. And then I got a kendama in there and a yo-yo from my yo-yo days. Anyway, right here, I got my scale because, you know, boys gotta stay humble. Even though I look at myself in the mirror every day. On to my closet. Not really much to see in here. I just got all my clothes hanging up. It's a fuck ton of clothes. Actually, it's not all my clothes. I got more right there. And, oh, okay, up here I got my golf clubs. I've used these a good one time in Japan, and I made my mom ship them to me, so thanks, Mom. Also, got this from a game center. I got this from my first time going to Tokyo Disneyland, so I'll put this on real quick, give you guys a little bit of a fashion show. God damn, I've never felt more attractive in my goddamn life. All that's left really is my balcony. I haven't really gone out here in a minute. As you can see, I have a lot of styrofoam on the ground because I just didn't want it in my apartment, and then I kind of just left it out here for a few weeks. So, yeah, and then that's pretty much it. Actually, I'll show you guys the view from out here. It's very nice. My neighbor's got like a really cute garden right here. I can see like a lot of cats run through here, a shit ton. I'll usually see like one cat a day, but I don't come out here that much just because like there are like massive bugs out here, like shit bigger than, never mind. Anyway, yeah, there's not much to see over here, just some people's houses. Over there is actually the park. I'll show you guys that later today. But yeah, that's pretty much the extent of my apartment. I was in the middle of editing and I realized I completely forgot to show you guys my bathroom, so I guess I'll do that now. It is very much a mess. Got my Lego set right there. Big box vacuum. And then my washer. I got some clothes in there that I need to put in the dryer after that load finishes. Not much really here. I got sink, toothbrush. It's my dry shampoo. I fucking dropped it in the sink. Otherwise, I actually have really good storage in here. Like, this is only my side of the cabinet, and then this is all Maya's shit. Girl stuff, you know, dildos and tampons. So anyway, this is the shower. I currently have a towel hanging up because I was just in the wash, so I need that to dry, and also it's raining today, so I can't really hang it up outside. This shower, compared to the dorm, is so big and I love it so much. I can literally just stand here, like, and then the bath, I have like dry soap on the bottom, which is kind of disgusting, but I need to like clean that off. I don't really take a bath often. I think I've probably taken a bath like 4 or 5 times. Actually, probably less since living here. But yeah, that's pretty much, I think that's all of my apartment. Toe shot. Okay, I'm super lazy and I don't want to record an outro, so this is it. Bye.